How to use SREKLIK App. Step 1. Install SREKLIK from App Store or Play Store and open the app. Step 2. Log in with your credentials and click on Sign In. How to add different index, on the home screen. Click on Add Index and select any index of your choice. How to add stocks to watch list. Click on Add to Watch List and search for the stock you wish to add. How to buy or sell a stock. Click on the stock you wish to buy or sell. Click on Buy or Sell. Select the product and order type accordingly. Normal means F&O, intraday means buying and selling within the same trading day, CNC means cash and carry, delivery. Select the order type. Limit means to place an order at the price he or she wants. Market means to place an order at the current market price. Stop loss means an order to sell a stock if its price falls below a specified level. Select the validity. Day means trade should be executed during regular trading hours. Immediate or cancel means order gets executed immediately or cancelled, and place the order. After the orders are placed, you can view it in the Trades tab below. Open means the trades are placed. Closed means the trades are executed. In the Portfolio tab, you can view your positions and holdings. In Discover tab, you can access our back office, news, research, IPO and top gainers, top losers, active by volume, active by value shares lists. In Accounts tab, you can add or withdraw funds. You can add funds through UPI or net banking. To receive funds on the same day, withdraw before 12 p.m., or else you will receive on the next working day. Now you can trade happily. Thank you.